Configurable products are products with multiple options, such as workwear trousers in different sizes and colors. The selection of these options will enable the system to resolve to an individual product code or SKU. The setup of these products has a new menu option on the stock menu called Configurable Products, and the first screen I'd like to show is the attributes screen. Now, attributes can be thought of as options that you as a user will vary, so such things as size or color, and the system will use the selection of these attributes to resolve to the product code that the customer requires. So we can either create a new attribute or select an existing one from the drop-down list here. So if I show you a new attribute, so I've clicked on new, and now I have to input a code. So desk orientation, desk and orientation. So I've just put in the description on that second line, and then we add the values in the grid here. So left hand and right hand. And then when we finish, we save that. We'll see that's been added to the list. There we go. Okay, so now the actual setup of the configurable product groups, the configurable products themselves. So when we set up configurable products, we need to set up a base product or a parent product first. This serves as the sort of a foundational product code for the group of products associated with it. So I'm going to give you an example. So corner desk 1 is going to be my base product, and this is a new group of configurable products, so it automatically prompts me to select attributes to use. So we're going to use the desk orientation that I just set up, and two others that I've set up previously, which is the desktop color and the frame color. See the values on the right hand side. Now I can, even though these are set up in the attribute screen, I can still amend them here. And the values for these attributes will be saved specifically for this base product. It won't affect the values that I've set up in the attributes setup program. Okay, so now I've selected my attributes and edited any values there. We can go and list the products or the variants. So we'll just key in the product code on the left corner desk. Okay, so I key in the product code, and then I select the values associated with each attribute. So that's left hand, that's oak, and it's a black frame. And then I'm going to set up some more. Right, now I'm going to actually add some products that don't exist on the system. So you'll notice the system realizes that they're not on file, and so adds this text in there and ticks this box. And what will happen is when I save this, it will create the product code using default values from the base product up here. One last one. Sorry, that's an oak top and then a white frame. So once we're finished, we're happy with everything, we can click on Save. Okay, now to trigger the attribute selection within a sales order, we need to use the base product. Which I'll show you now. Okay, so for the attribute selection window to appear, we need to use the base product code. So that's corner desk 1. And here we have, so it's asking me to complete all the attributes. So left hand, oak, black. And once I've selected them, click OK, the system will populate the correct product code. And crucially, it'll use the price and discount information for the parent product for the base product. So you only have to set up the price and discount information for the parent product, not for each individual variant. As you can see, I can still key in the individual product, the variant product codes, and it will take the pricing again off the parent product. Or if I want to go through the attribute selection again, I use the parent product code. And I'll select right hand. It knows at this point that I only have, for right hand desks, I only have one desktop color. So it's moving me straight onto the frame color. Click OK, resolves to the correct variant product and applies the price. And that was Configurable Products. Thank you.